Hello there, and welcome to my Vietnam vlog series. In this first installment, I'll be solo backpacking in Hanoi, the capital city of Vietnam. I'll be travelling from north to south, making some stops along the way, and ending up in Saigon, aka Chi Minh City. So follow me on this adventure. There'll be boat tours, there'll be cooking classes, and I even managed to make some friends along the way. So yeah, stay tuned, and I hope you enjoy the ride. So I just got collected from the airport and my taxi driver has abandoned me to go and give his friend some kind of parcel. Been in the country for 5 minutes, man, I can't lie, I'm shook. So I've just checked into my hotel, I'm waiting for my keys to be ready. So I'm on the rooftop bar, which is really nice. Not that there's anyone here yet, but somewhere to chill, and it's in a good location, so right over there's a lake. Just finished my first day in Vietnam. I'm so tired, been travelling for like 24 hours, but so far so nice. People are really nice, the food is really cheap. I had a sandwich called, I'm gonna butcher this, banh mi, and it's basically, it's like Subway. Well, there's a baguette thing with lots of like fresh meat inside it. That was really tasty. And then once I calculated how much it cost, it was like 10,000 dong, Vietnamese dong, so that's equivalent to about, I want to say 35p, but I feel like it's £3.50 and I've got it wrong. Yeah, I've just been on the sky bar of my hotel, and the staff are really nice. I've just been chatting to them, drinking, they've been taking pictures of me, but I don't know why, they just volunteered. But yeah, I'm tired, so I am going to bed. After a refreshing night's sleep, I woke up and had an all-you-can-eat breakfast. That egg was disgusting. Sorry, it was. But the staff were absolutely amazing though. They were so helpful and they were so lovely and attentive. They also made me a bowl of fresh pho, which is a popular noodle dish in Vietnam. Very filling breakfast, but very tasty. I booked a food tour online. This is a great way to explore the city on foot and also sample some local cuisine. First up, we had some street food, some beef jerky I'm struggling to pick up with the chopsticks, some dumplings and some banana flour salad. This was the first day I was blessed with a glass of kumquat iced tea. This drink is beautiful. I absolutely love it, and I'm so upset I can't get it in the UK.
Like the communism country, so it's like.
At this point, the drink is even finished. I don't know what I'm doing, like just trying to savor it, but it was so beautiful, man. Yeah, I'm literally drinking ice at this point. I need to relax.
If the woman give birth. Spring roll. You might know about this one. The spring roll, the name. The normal name, the normal spring roll, they have the pork in the middle. But this one, they use the seafood, the sea crab. This is the shrimp cake. Cut the shrimp and the rice powder, and then deep fry everything. It's like a cookie. So I know for you, when you eat the shrimp, you remove the, how to say this one?
The shell.
The shell, okay. So you remove all the shell. But here we keep it.
Yeah.
But they have a special technique to handle this one, so it's very soft. And you try it. Yeah.
Wow.
And this is the pho.
Pho, like the
like
noodles.
Yeah, the noodle with the soup. So you see the white one here? Yeah.
Oh.
If they have the big surface like this and they cut it, they have the noodle.
Oh, okay.
And then they put it inside the soup with the meat. But this one, they keep the whole one and they roll it with the beef and the salad in the middle. So we have the rolling pho. We call the pho quần, a rolling pho. Like the spring.
Maybe I was hungry, but I don't know why I'm eating like a thief. Oh my god, if this drops on your clothes, will you smell like fish?
Yeah.
Oh no.
Sorry.
That's like the worst. Next up on the menu, I had some shrimp cakes. This was literally a shrimp in batter with the shell, I might add, so it was very crunchy. I didn't love it, but I didn't necessarily hate it, but I guess all for trying things once. One of Vietnam's most talked about drinks is egg coffee. I don't really like coffee, so I opted for an egg hot chocolate instead.
It's like custard.
You know what, it's not as bad as I thought. It's actually not that bad.
It's like, I think it's a little bit like tiramisu.
Yeah, I can't taste the egg. Like, I thought there'd be like egg on the top, then hot chocolate at the bottom. I don't know why I'm rolling my eyes back like that, but as you can see, I have an egg hot chocolate moustache. Disgusting. Ah, there's the hot chocolate. I am a hot mess. Literally egg yolk, hot chocolate underneath. If my mother could see me now. Oh, okay, cool.
We saw one on Sunday, right?
I am so clumsy, Jesus. Yeah, they normally fake it, don't they?
Garlic. Garlicky.
So spicy. Yeah.
On day 3, I went to a cooking class and it started off with a trip to the market.
Okay, so welcome you guys to our local market. So inside this market, you literally can find everything. Nhưng mà bao nhiêu? Bao đây? Thì em đang đứng nè. Bao nhiêu? Chị bán bao nhiêu bạn? Bao nhiêu lấy em? Here I'll buy for you guys the pork belly. So pork belly, we call it baji, which means 3 lines. So why do we call it 3 lines? It is because it's a layer of meat, fat, meat, fat, meat, fat together.
40.000 ba chỉ, 80.000 chị bán rẻ cho chứ không có đắt đâu.
Right. She said she sells cheaper for you. Don't worry about that.
Okay.
Okay, so this is the silver one. So for the silver one, you see that there's like no strip backside of it. So now you can identify based on the strip over here and this. But for example, if you buy this one, it's gonna be double of the price of this.
Oh wow.
Yeah, because it's much better than this.
Yeah.
So this one is around 450 to 500, 1 kg. This one's gonna be 250.
Okay.
Yeah. So this is the tofu section. So usually whenever I have a vegan class, I'll go here and buy the tofu. So tofu here is completely like brand new, hot, silky, and just made it outside. Can you guys hold this one? Yeah, it's gonna jump sometimes.
Oh, it's still alive. That's crazy.
So you see, this is the traditional one. So this one is gonna be like spaghetti dough. So it's thin and it's long like this. From this one, we have this, and this. So basically, this one is gonna be the central beef noodle. We call it bún bò Huế. So basically, Huế is like the name of the city in Vietnam. This one is gonna be flatter. So basically, we're gonna use it. So basically, we're gonna use it and put a bit of lettuce and beef on top and then roll it.
Okay.
So this is phở. So phở looks like taya tao. So this one is basically the phở is basically the name of the rice noodle. It's not the name of the dish. So when they call it, they mean the name of the rice noodle, but they are normalized it to be the name of the dish. So this one is usually, you see over here, we have a lot of dry things. We have dry bamboo, dry mushroom, dry anchovy, dry shrimp, dry rice.
This was defo one of my Vietnam highlights, so after buying all of our ingredients for the meal we was about to cook, we headed off to the Rose Kitchen.
So, welcome to Rose Kitchen, guys.
Ooh, this looks nice. Rose Kitchen was beautiful. After a nice refreshing welcome drink, we started chefing it up.
Put the finger inside here, go all the way down and open. baby banana.
Oh wow.
Yes, I can tell you this. Okay.
I don't know how you cut this so fast.
Because I'm a chef.
Oh yeah, true.
So really small.
Okay, I'll do this one.
That one is the hardest one.
I don't want to do this one. I'll do this one.
After you, after you, after you.
Just chop some garlics.
So now I start taking the artichokes out.
Is that okay?
Much more.
More than that?
Much more.
Oh my god, that has me thinking that is
That's me.
yeah. Like perfectionist. Good
It's really
around.
much more.
Wow.
I want it to be like this.
Smaller than this.
It's not nice inside the meatball at all.
I've never cut garlic this small in my entire life.
Now you know.
Put all this here.
Yeah.
Lift it.
No.
Oh.
Like this.
This thing is heavy, you know?
It is.
Is this
around 2 kg.
Is this actual wood?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, no wonder.
It's satisfying, right?
Smells really nice. I'm hungry now, I think.
You can eat.
I should eat raw meat. It was alright. I didn't realise it was a food and beer tour. I don't drink beer. I don't really like it. But yeah.
Did you try any of that, like warm beer?
I tried it to be polite, but I generally don't like the taste of beer, so it was interesting.
It's good.
Finish?
Yes. You can take out the gloves. Of course. You don't want to use this to mix this one?
No.
Yes.
Right.
See?
Neat.
After that, you're gonna roll one over here. Try to put a bit more. Flatten it. Then go one here. Another side. Get back. Flatten it. And go back.
You made that look so easy.
It's really tough,
It
yeah.
is easy.
Awful.
It is easy.
It's not. I can just see that's not easy.
It is. The oil and the meat together on your hand, so that it's so when you reel, it's not gonna be dry. Okay, like this around like.
I can't do this. This is going everywhere.
No, it's not. Not like this. Like this.
Oh, squeezing.
Yeah.
Oh.
So that you can emulsify the oil and the meat. After,
Emulsifying.
after that, you make it like a burger patty. So now we can go outside and grill everything together.
Oh, I'm gonna grill it. Oh, that's cool.
Of course, we're not gonna like steam it.
Going to grill some hamburgers. This is barbecue.
Barbecue time.
Yeah.
Oops.
No gloves, crazy. Look guys, look what I made. I'm a chef in Vietnam.
You are.
It was so fun today. Just made some spring rolls and some,
Oh wow.
I forgot what that even is, meatballs. And what's this thing for again? I forgot.
Belly.
Yeah, but what are we doing with that?
Grill it.
Yeah, after we grill it, what are we gonna do with it?
It's gonna be for bún chả.
Ah, bún chả.
Bún chả. B-U-N-C-H-A.
Bún chả.
Don't eat it like a taco, okay? This is not a taco. I put like you have to eat like one by one, and I get like the peanut on the top of it.
Okay, this is I can't remember what that is. This is a salad. Spring rolls. And that was the end of cooking class. Alright, just got back from my cooking class. It's the realities of backpacking. Here's my backpack. I've only been here for about 3 or 4 days, but somehow, because it's been hot, I've gone through all my clothes. Even what I'm wearing now is dirty, and it's only like, I don't know what time it is. Probably, oh, it's 2 o'clock. My clothes are dirty already, so I'm going to the laundry. So I've got a bag of dirty clothes, And there's a laundry next door, and I think they wash your clothes by weight, so it's going to be 30,000 dong per kilogram, which I think is like a pound. I'm not even gonna lie, I can't remember the currency rate, which is so mad, but yeah, it's cheap anyway. So yeah, it's much better than the hotel I'm staying at now. It's a little bit bougie. They try to charge me 30,000 per item, so like one top 30,000, one trouser, all different prices, 60,000. Okay, who's got money for that? So I am just gonna go to laundry. The things we do for cheap laundry. And it's literally 2 minutes walk from my hotel.
2.5.
Okay, cool. On day 4, I spent the day with some new friends, touring the city on foot. Alright, I'm outside the presidential palace. It is so hot. We are at the Chi Minh Mausoleum, yeah. Oh.
There?
Oh, whoops. We just got in trouble by the security for walking the wrong way. And they have guns, so I'm scared. I'm gonna put my camera away. And there's so many signs saying you can't chew gum, you can't walk on this, can't walk on that, and there's loads of security guards. President Ho Chi Minh was in power in the north of Vietnam during the wars and was said to have helped lead the country to victory in the wars against the US and the French colonization. Inside the actual mausoleum, President Ho Chi Minh's body still remains today. He's been embalmed, he's perfectly intact, and you can actually go and view his body. Entry for most museums and attractions in Vietnam is 30,000 dong, which is just over £1. Oops. At the Imperial Citadel, it's in the background. It is so hot. I'm not actually quite sure what this place is, but I will soon find out. Oh, are these from the war?
Yes.
Are they the real ones?
Yeah. It's the war museum.
Hopefully they sell some drinks up here.
Yeah, some cold water.
Yeah, so hot. These stairs are so smooth. It's like taking little baby steps. I absolutely love Hanoi. There's so many museums, so many pagodas, so many things to see and do. So after we left that museum, we headed to a random park to get a drink. And it was just fun. Just met some local people and started chilling with them. Yeah, I can't actually show everything that I saw here, but it was really fun. Why are they just chilling here? Oh my god! Crossing the road in Vietnam is an experience. The drivers do not stop for you. Even if you're on a zebra crossing, even if the pedestrian light is green, you literally just have to take your life in your own hands. I know, like just pray and cross the road. Absolutely crazy. It's nice and cool down here. God, I keep nearly falling. Apparently a lot of the houses here are actually illegal and are not supposed to be built here. So after all our museum visiting, we ended up at Hanoi's train street. An actual train goes down this track and you can see just how close the houses and bars are to the train tracks. It's actually quite dangerous, but it's a really nice vibe down there. But I will end this vlog here. See you next time.